Hello everyone. Welcome to the Hacker Show, and you are watching Hacker Associate broadcast. In this section, we are going to focus on malicious MFA takeover in Azure. That is a part of my penetration testing, cloud penetration testing. We call as an OCPT, Offensive Cloud Penetration Testing. This is very interesting. Okay, like case study, like how to identify the dormant account, because this dormant account, hijacked by an attacker, and this exactly happened okay in the past, and exactly today I'm going to walk you through all this, so you'll get an idea how to deal with this malicious MFA takeover in Azure. So if you want to download this script, you can simply go to the Google and search for Hacker Associate GitHub. So here's a script. You can see Hacker Associate GitHub. Go to the repository, and here okay you can see this is the repository, and I created this script and I released already I think 2 days before, so you just download it and it's completely up to date as per 2025. And I focus specifically on Microsoft Graph. So this is the PowerShell script, okay, malicious MFA takeover. And this PowerShell script is designed for malicious purpose to facilitate MFA account takeover. So read each and every information, and I'm going to read this slide which I created specifically for this video. So this PowerShell script identify a dormant Azure account without MFA. An attacker can initiate MFA handshake and gain access using authenticator application. Okay, so it's basically a dormant account, and we can identify quickly. An attacker can directly hijack the session. That is the main purpose of this script. So what do you mean by that? Okay, so let's understand about the script overview. So when you talk about this script, there are three things. Okay, one is modern authentication, target identification, and attack method. So what do you mean by modern authentication? So modern authentication means that it uses Microsoft Graph PowerShell SDK instead of deprecated module. It identifies dormant account without MFA protection. Initiate MFA handshake to gain persistent access. Amazing. And here also, like if you go, I have written okay the features. If you just go downside, these are the feature: Microsoft Authenticator application, phone authentication. Then we have a FID, O2 security keys, Windows Hello for Business, and many others. It have better GUI interface. It look like this, okay, when you run the things. I'm going to show you by the way practically. So it have a enhanced MFA detection, like as I mentioned, mobile authentication, hardware security, alternative method like OAuth, token, and email authentications. Further, the user, when you talk about user interface feature, it have a progress tracking, automatic setup, and detailed reporting. So once you run the script, and after that, okay, you'll be getting a CSV report. Security improvement, modern authentication, clean session, error handling. So use secure authentication with proper permission scope. Properly disconnect from Microsoft Graph when finished, and also provide comprehensive error handling with informative message. So this is amazing script. Okay, you should use it. If you have an Azure account, just go ahead and you can run the script. The installation procedure is very simple. You download the script, or you can do git clone, run with the admin right, module installation, and connect with the Microsoft Graph connection. Maybe if you're not familiar about this thing, no need to worry. I'm going to show you a practical step, okay, in few minutes. Licensing information. So this under like Hacker Associate, I created a script, and this is a license under Hacker Associate. Permission required, like unauthorized use is strictly prohibited. And if you need any information more, you can simply connect me here. That is called hackerassociate.com, or you can directly personally message me over LinkedIn. And this is all about our training areas. Okay, you can follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and I'm going to drop this slide. Okay, you can directly download the this particular slide, okay, from that description. Okay, and apart from this, like you follow us here, okay, like I'm on LinkedIn, plus this is our company page, and we are sharing daily update here. You can see today I shared Mimikatz and DCC attack technique. Yesterday I talk about cloud security engineer, many things, okay, like I'm sharing daily basis. Please follow these pages to stay updated, okay, in cyber security. Plus, this is recently we created a community called Black Hat Training. We'll also get a lot of updates here, like about open source intelligence, Azure pen testing, GCP pen testing, AWS pen testing, IoT stuff, and many other. Please check it out. Uh, each and every resources I have shared here, like AI powered web pen testing, AI powered mobile pen testing, and so on. And I have shared already a lot of slides, okay, under this community. Please go ahead and download this particular free material. Now next, how to use the script. So simple. Okay, I go to this VM. So first let me start the VM, right? So once you start the VM, okay, you need to navigate, okay, to the folder. Okay, you simple run the script. That's it. It's a PowerShell script, by the way. So use, okay, one account, okay, that maybe you are authenticated for. Use that account and identify all the dormant account. And if the MFA is not set, we can create, we can finish the handshake and we can directly log into that account, and we will set our own authenticator things. Like, okay, with the help of authenticator application, we will scan the QR code and we will open their account. So there are many things, by the way. Okay. So I'm just giving a demo of this script. Okay. If you need more information, check my live session, Offensive Cloud Penetration Testing. So here you can see I'm going to use my PowerShell window. This is PowerShell. So let's close everything. We start PowerShell. Run as admin. Click here, yes. Okay. After that, you simple just type set execution policy. So I can simple go ahead here. Type here set execution policy. Okay. Once you are done with this, then you can simple go to this PowerShell script. Go to this location, and I can go to the CD and I can paste here. Now just type dir. And now you can use my script called hacker associate Azure MFA status .ps1. So how to use it, right? So simple. Okay, you can use dot backslash, and then after that we can simple use with dot backslash. We can use our script here. It started and then going to ask you for username password. So I'll go ahead and select the account called this one. Example, let's say this mfa@hacksecond.com. This is my tenant. Okay, so this is basically you can use any account. If you have your account, you can select this account. After that, the password. Once you enter the password, again, I think we'll get a message on authenticator application. The number is 24 and select yes. Okay, it's approved. And now if you can check this script, you can see start collecting the user. And automatically you will be getting a CSV file, okay, for download. You can analyze that file and you can look for, okay, like in your tenant dormant accounts. That is exactly the purpose of this script. So if you see here in this case, I started and you can see shortly we will see all the user. Perfect. So we can see clearly we have all the users came here, and after that, okay, if you see in this area, these are the user. You can see that these are account enabled, true. MFA status you can see disable in this area. Okay, and only out of these 15 user, you can see MFA enable only 3 user, and MFA disable there are 12 user, and 80% are MFA disable user. In that case, these are dormant accounts. You can go, okay, there are tons of attack we can do that, and we can reset the password of that one, okay, based on the privilege, this one, and we can directly hijack this account. That is called dormant account concept, okay, in Azure. I hope you got an idea. So if I just go to this GitHub area, so that is exactly the main purpose of this script. This PowerShell script designed for malicious purpose to facilitate MFA account takeover. It identifies dormant account, and if MFA is not configured, the attacker can initiate MFA handshake. And once the handshake is completed, they can gain direct access using an authenticator application. This is very dangerous because based on this, okay, attacker maintain persistent connection inside your tenant. Okay, so this is the way. That's how you can identify. That's how you can detect the things. And I'm going to come with a lot of other information. So by the time, okay, read each and every information specifically on the repo. I have mentioned each and every point, how to use it, why we are going to use this script, and everything. That's all for today's section. And thank you for joining, okay, this live session. And we will connect next week and come with the next new topic on the same subject. Have a great day. Happy weekend ahead, and see you next week.